And then I realized Shmee Senna has a paper bin spec. You happy?
Hello.
Morning. 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 How's life?
Hi Misha, I'm Shmee.
Hi Shmee, I'm Guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah. What's happening?
I'm gonna take this up, just up to the top of the road and then get it unloaded.
Oh, cool. Well, have fun. I have some instruction laps to do, and then maybe I'll jump in with you, maybe.
Or maybe you'll just pass me in some normal car.
Maybe, in a ring tractor. Yeah, I mean, we should do that.
We can do a new intentional upset.
Yeah, you want to do like, you know, like a full YouTuber.
Have the whole internet taking a mickey out of me, so I can't drive. All the gear and no idea.
Pass you in Brunchen.
I literally count as all the gear when I bring a trailer and I've got my car strapped down behind the G.
Yeah, now it's a real trailer queen. Like, like new subscribers that don't know you, they'll be like, oh yeah, you're bringing it on trailer. Yeah, just trailer it, park it on in Brunchen or like the Nürburgring sign, and then trailer the back. Don't even take it on the track.
Not the photo.
Yeah. Well, have fun.
Thank you very much.
See you later. Oh, what are we watching?
YouTube.
Oh, okay. Where are they? Cool, that's cool. It's going to be very, very remarkable if it's your first time then. I'm very happy to be a part of your experience.
Yes.
Awesome. It's a very nice car to be in for the first time as well. So it's completely stock, or?
Yeah, completely stock. Actually, it has a brand new engine. I broke my engine on Le Mans.
Oh, really?
And so it's it has 700 kilometers, I think. Just coming in.
Okay, cool. How you break an engine of an automatic car?
I don't know. It just broke in the middle of the.
You're one of the few people that can break a Porsche then.
Yeah, exactly. But Porsche has been really cool. They've changed my motor.
Yeah.
No worries.
That's good.
On the right, right?
Yes, correct. We go to the right.
Wow.
You're finally
so
there,
impressive.
huh? Have you been passenger on the track ever?
Never.
So oh wow, that's cool. A lot of people try to experience like the driving part, or like being a passenger or something.
First.
But that's nice. That's cool.
Very first time. Not very first track, but.
Well, let's hope it goes better than Le Mans, huh?
Yes.
So how was it?
Wow! I'm so glad I did it with an instructor. This is crazy.
I'm happy to hear that.
So many ups and downs. Wow.
Yep. Nice color. Yes. Nice. All the smoke. Just Volkswagen things.
Oh. Yes.
Go get your Mini.
Yeah. Oh, should I put the Ranger now? It's weird sock on.
Should I put the ring tractor? So now we have everything. Porsche, GT2 RS, Shmee Senna, Ford GT. Ooh, Evo. Nice. Ford Transit. Is it the Transit or is it the... No, Opel Vivaro. Same thing. Potato. Ooh. C1. Race car. Nice. Yeah, what I was saying. GTR, 620R, and most importantly, we also have Lamborghini. Lambo. Here we go. Lamborghini, yes. Good Lambo. But usually, is it like a real Lambo that like is loud but doesn't bite?
It's real. And he has brake failures all the time.
Oh. Is that an Almera? Hello! No, Primera. Oh, it's same. Kinda. Nice color. Love it. It might be broken. That's definitely broken. He's broken. Magnum PI. And a random Shmee. Nice spec. Love the French flag. Okay. Nice. The best car, the most exciting car of the day. It's not about the car, it's what you do with it. Oh, it's Shmee. Hello. Why skeptical face? Where's my food box?
Oh.
Is this mine?
Yeah. This is yours, Misha.
This is mine, thank you.
Enjoy.
Why? Did you try to eat it?
No, I like mine.
There was some confusion and some stuff got swapped, so you get the normal.
Oh, okay.
With fries and stuff.
Oh, okay. I like Ali Kebaba from Zagreb a lot more. This car is loud. Cannot hear Tom telling a story.
Story of how we met Amy.
Yeah, I know, but we cannot hear you because there's like British.
British.
Cheers. Honestly, I really didn't like it. And on top of that, Mike from Holland threw also some aluminum ball in there, foil. So that's like, nope, not gonna eat it. Look at that, fake taxi. And cover up. I don't know why, but I guess. But let's get rid of that. And then I realized Shmee Senna has a paper bin spec. Nice plate.
Behind the scenes of Apex Taxi.
Wow. Is this included in the MR package? This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buy an MR package, they said. It will be fun, they said.
Imagine.
You can go a bit higher, Tom.
Can you give me some tissue, please? Dripping on the carpet.
Why, you have an issue?
No, I have a,
He's leaked a bit.
Oh, quick.
Sounds good.
Why would you do that?
That could be clickbait.
Yeah.
I crashed both my boss's cars. Can I have one cheeseburger? A cheers burger.
No, you should do that. Drive through.
Yeah. All right.
One cheers burger.
Cheers burger. Okay, attempt number 2 after the truck closure.
We were so close.
So close yet so far. I think everyone is waiting to get on the track, so.
Yeah. It's open until 7, right?
Yeah. It's not open yet, so.
Like oil spill or something on the line?
Maybe. We'll see when we get there. Woohoo!
That was fun.
Yeah, good job.
Thanks.
Oh. Well, what a nice to end the lap.
You're a little awesome.
There are always winners and victims at the Nürburgring.
We're sorry.
Have fun. Well, I'm definitely getting out because it's a mess here. And I'm waiting for Shmee to pick me up, or actually I'm supposed to jump in with him at Apex. But that's not gonna happen with the current traffic situation. So I'm just gonna walk towards him and jump in at some point. Nice. Thank you. See you in a bit. Maybe. Hi. Actually waiting for my car here, taxi. So yeah, maybe. I don't know. Yeah? No, we're going for a lap, so I won't have time for it.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you? Oh, look at that. That's the M2CS. First time I see it in real life.
Never seen it in real life?
No, me neither.
Okay, cool.
That's nice. See you.
Yeah.
Bye. Hello.
Now I've got some harnesses to dig into your back.
You'll be fine. It's quite a busy day. And the fast forwards, we just did a lap. We're in a massive traffic jam. Pretty big, like till the gantry. And I think it's a proper time to say thank you and goodbye. Thank you very much, Tim. It was a very pleasant lap. For the laps, go check out his channel. Yeah, and it was my first time in the 620R. And it was with you. How impressive.
It was cool.
It was cool. It was very cool.
Cheers.
And for tonight we have cheers burger.
Cheers burger. We'll go find some sheep.
I drink to that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Where's your cheers?
Um,
Okay.
Green